All right, Dave, let's see it.
Giving it power, don't go anywhere.
Really?
I'm actually gonna lift off on you.
Okay. I'm gonna go stand over here. Jeez. Dude, that thing's hard to track.
Crazy. Dude, it flies wonderful though.
Does it?
Yeah. Little nose heavy. That's hands on. You keep an eye on. Just keep an eye on Racer. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and start staring it up and see what it'll do. What are you doing? He never leaves your side. I know he's making movement. Whoa!
Well, there goes the canopy.
Okay. I think it's gonna land easy, man.
Dude, that's a slow fly. You can bring her in easy like that.
Dude, that thing's hard to see at some points.
Yeah, it is really hard to see.
Well, through this camera, it's almost impossible.
Flies really good. It flies like that yellow, like our foamy.
Really?
Yeah. Come here, Race. All right, now I'm gonna see how slow I can get it down. It is hard to see, huh?
Dude, through this camera, it's like, I'll lose it at points. See, like that, where'd it go?
Go, guys.
Bringing her in? Oh,
I slowed down, your nose goes up. I shut it out.
no worries, dude. I was gonna say, you're committed on that one.